Hello traders, Dan here. Let's take a look at the markets for March 9th and the new trades recommended, and then we'll take a look at a few on our watch list here. Spiders had an amazing bullish gap up today, and what is kind of just perplexing to me is 99% of the time you turn on the news and every newscaster is saying the markets are up big today on blank, XYZ. They just fill in a reason. And today there was nothing that the multiple news companies, financial networks, could point to. So we had this monster gap up to resistance. So we were taking it easy in the morning. We were hoping for the pullback. Got a shallow one here. And then the afternoon breakout here right into lunch when we were doing MT Live was bullish. Came in, went up, and it's kind of a whippy little day, but we closed above the open. We got a topping tail, we got a bottoming tail. So my bias for tomorrow, we're still on a downtrend. Look at the 20 and the 50, and we're in a trading range and a downtrend, but with a bullish gap, and we closed above the open, so we held most of the gap. Well, we did hold the gap because it closed above the open, but if we continue higher, then I have a bullish day trade bias tomorrow, Thursday, maybe even into Friday. I don't know. Maybe we hit the declining 20. But look at all these overlapping bars. There's a lot of overhead resistance there. Tomorrow or Friday, if we take out today's low, then that opens the door for much lower prices. Taking out this low, possibly this low. Possibly getting uglier. So we're kind of at a little dicey area here. Diamonds, same over today's high, looks higher. IWM actually closed the most bullish, and we did put on a put spread on this today. I'll come back to that. Qs also look higher. That looks fine over today's high. Same bias. Today's high, one or two more days up. Under today's low, we're going lower. In the swing and options trader, let's look at the new trades. Copen, bottoming pattern. We bought over yesterday's high. Had a nice open gain, came back. We're kind of flat right here. Coin, we gave to both letters. This one we did look at this, folks. The all-time low is a little under 160 here. We sold an out of the money $140 put. Look, it's below this chart. For a dollar and change, whatever it was, a dollar. And then we also did a 150 put spread in the weekly options trader, which is already at 50% of max profit. And I said I wanted to squeeze more out of it, so I said bid half at a quarter, half at 5 cents. But that's a beautiful close, a gap from a bullish retest on major support. A couple of trades that are still pending, which haven't triggered. Argo, I was hoping it would break out over this bar on Monday, had a deeper tracement. So let's hold off because we don't want to buy an entry that goes from this far all the way there, because then the bias would be to try to buy a pullback. Plug I posted this morning, bullish 1, 2, 3. It didn't trigger, but over today's high, it's a go. And then Workhorse, it's not a 1, 2, 3 because this is not a wide range real body, but it's a wide range expansion range bar that took out multiple bars lows and closed back up at the 20, 50 bottoming pattern after this deep move over resistance, bullish weekly. This has a potential, if we're patient and we nail this low, it could easily go to $10 or higher. So I know that's pretty far away on the daily, but we're using the daily and the weekly. This is the home run entry, in my opinion. We buy over yesterday's high, stop under yesterday's low, and manage in between. Let's look at now at the weekly options trader trades. I mentioned IWM. We did a 2-day to expiration put spread. We already have a nice, beautiful open gain there. LMT, we did a call spread. This is a climactic sell setup. Yesterday had an ugly wide range bar. We sold the 500, 530. Where are you, LMT? 550, 500, 550. Call spread. Disney, we did a little 2 DTE put spread into the close. The 130, 120. Amazon, I got this from one of our traders in the room today. Nice little gap up, climactic, greater than 100% retracement. We took half profits into the close. That's a put spread for Friday. Way out of the money, folks. That's 2,600. Again, off the charts. Well, look, it's right down here. It's way the heck down here. And we got 2 days of risk. On the video we gave in the morning, and we took half. That was a beautiful little gap breakout on the hourly chart. And finally, coin. I mentioned the 140s, and on this one we did the, like I said, 160, 150 for 2 DTE. So that's it. That's our bias. Hope everybody had a great trading day. I said pre-market, I sent out an alert saying with today's gap up, that this was going to be a bull put credit spread marathon day, and it turned out to be exactly that. So good job, everyone. Have a good night. See you in the next video.